Welcome to the demonstration on how to use the battery condition test software. The software can be downloaded freely from the website www.batteryconditiontest.com. After installation, it is started from the Start menu or desktop. Note that you can do everything that I will be showing here with the downloaded version. On the left side, the list of analyzers is shown. In this situation, a software emulated demo analyzer is shown that mimics the behavior of an actual analyzer. On the right hand side is the area with the result graphs and result tables. Profiles are the descriptions of requirements that apply to the battery and to the charger. Also, one or more measurement procedures are defined in the profile. Profiles are managed here. Go to Options, go to Manage Battery Profiles. Let's take a look at the profile for a 36-volt battery. If we don't have a specific profile for that brand and type, we will use the universal profile. Click Edit to show it. The battery profile page has three main sections. First one, battery specifications. The second one is charger specifications. And the third one is measurement profile. The battery specifications show the voltages, capacity, and impedance criteria that the battery must comply to. The same goes for the charger specifications, the voltages and current that the charger has to comply to. Both battery and charger may be identified with the barcode on the battery and charger. This way, the correct profile is selected automatically. The barcode match field is used for regular expression matching. The measurement profile section has the measurement modules that are used to perform the measurements. They are constant current, constant power, constant resistance, and impedance measurement. When put in a measurement list, a double click brings up the configuration dialog. More than one charger specification and measurement list can be created, renamed, or removed using the button in the drop-down box. An interesting option is the repeat mode, where a battery can be tested for a given number of times. Each time, the result is added to a spreadsheet file that can be used for statistical analysis. All changes are saved when the battery profile dialog is closed with OK. A battery analysis is started by pressing the push button on the BA500 for the desired channel, or by selecting the BA500 slot in the analyzer list and pressing Start. The next dialog allows entry for the battery barcode, preferably with a barcode scanner. If the entered barcode does not match any profile, one of the universal profiles may be selected based on the parameters. Now I will demonstrate the use of a 36-volt battery of 10 ampere hour, and I will use the constant current test on a 6 ampere. Pressing View will show the battery profile dialog, and you can make changes to suit your needs for this battery. Pressing Start will start the test immediately. Since this is a software emulation, the charge, discharge, and the recharge phases will all take about 1 minute. The value of the current is very high to simulate the result of a 10 ampere hour capacity. Now the test has started. The initial phase is the pre-charge. This activates the charger and brings the battery to a 100% charged state. As you can see, the current, that is the blue line, is constant, and the voltage, that is the red line, is rising while the battery is charged. Then, when the voltage reaches the battery's maximum, the charger reduces the current to prevent overvoltage on the battery. When the current has dropped below our end of charge current level, the BA stops the charger. Then, automatically, the discharge phase is started, measuring the capacity, the amount of energy that can be extracted from the battery. It can be seen that the voltage drops in the beginning, it is almost constant in the middle, and quickly drops at the end. Discharging ends when the voltage drops below about 30 volt. Once that is finished, the recharge phase is started to charge the battery again so that it's ready to use or ship to the customer. When all this is finished, the data file is saved and a PDF report is automatically generated. The output files can be accessed easily through Files, then go to Explore and go to Results. The PDF reports can be viewed by the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. The reports will show customer information and battery and charger identification. Below that, it is shown what test equipment was used, in this case the B500. Then the result details are listed. This table combines the results with the requirements and passed or fails conclusion. On the next page, there are 3 plots. First, the result versus time. Second, the result versus capacity. Here you can see that the test stopped at 8 Ah. Third, the charger result. Now the voltage ended nicely at 43 volt and the current dropped below 1.2 ampere. The test data file contains the measurement data that can be opened by the battery analyzer program. It can be used to reproduce reports in the future, possibly in different formats. For each battery, all measurement results are stored in the file measurement.csv. This CSV file can be read by Excel or LibreOffice Calc as a spreadsheet or by a statistical program for further processing. If a battery is tested in repeat mode, say 1,000 times, there will be 1,000 results lines in the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet here has the repeat mode numbers, and I have made plots from the capacity and impedance columns. The software can be configured to synchronize the report and output files up to 5 backup directories. This can be set through Options, go to Preferences, go to Backup Modules, and then go to File Copier. A battery pack may contain a BMS, a battery management system, with external connections for readout. The BA500 can read HDQ and I2C, and a number of BMS chips are supported. In Options and then Preferences, and then go to BMS Modules, the readout of the chips can be configured. As you can see, different chips have different features. The BQ 2013 has 5 values. The enabled values will be printed on the output report. In some situation, it is useful to change the location where the output is generated to a different one. For larger setups with multiple computers with each 32 BA500s, it may be useful to put all output in a centralized network directory. If you want to do that, go to Options, Preferences, and then go to Application Settings. Alternatively, the backup file copier may be used. Also, the program user interface language can be set. Reports are formatted into PDF files. The header and background can be customized to include your own logo. If you want to do that, go to Options, go to Preferences, go to Print Modules, and go to PDF Generator. Here you can select your own header image for the first page and separately for all other pages in the report. This concludes the introduction to the battery condition test software. The software can be downloaded freely from the website www.batteryconditiontest.com. After installation, it is started from the Start menu or desktop. Note that everything that I have shown you today, you can do that yourself with the downloaded version.